Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to create a drill bit. So first we have to open a new file pot. Then we have to select a plane which you want to sketch here. Make it to the normal view. Then we have to go to sketch and select a circle. Draw the circle for a required amount of radius. Then click OK, exit the sketch, go to the future, select the extrude boss option and select our corresponding circle to be extruded. Specify the amount of thickness to be extruded. Then click OK. After that we are going to make a convert entities. So select a face of cylinder. Then go to the sketch. Select a convert entities option. Now the entities is converted here. Then exit the sketch, go to the futures. Then we are going to use a helix and spiral curve option. Inside the drop down list of curves we have to select a helix and spiral. Make sure the type is in a constant pitch and defined by the pitch and revolution. Specify the amount of pitch value here. Make sure it is must be in a 1 revolution. After that we are going to make a swipe cut here. So select a swipe cut option. Inside the swipe cut option the drop down list is appear here. Select a circular profile and select our corresponding path. Then we have to specify the diameter of the cut. Just you have to specify the diameter of circle cut. Then click OK. The swipe cut is created successfully here. After that you have to just hide the unwanted curves here. After that we are going to use a circular pattern option. So select a circle pattern. Inside the parameters we have to select a circle face. Select a features to be pattern here. We are going to pattern the swipe cut. So select a swipe cut. Make sure the number of entities is 2 with the equal spacing degree. Now the circular pattern is successfully created here. After that you have to select a mid plane and make it to the normal view. Here we are going to use a revolve cut option. So go to the sketch. First we are going to draw a profile here for make a cut. After drawing the profile, just click OK. Again you have to draw a circular axis. The axis is must necessary for your revolve cut. So draw the axis for references and exit the sketch. Go to the features, select a revolve cut option. Select our corresponding profile and the axis. Then click OK. Now we are creating a successfully revolve cut. After that you have to give the appearance color for a good look. Before that we are going to apply the chamfer here. Select the edges of drill bit and make it to the chamfer. Specify the chamfer value in terms of mm. Then click OK. Likewise you have to apply the chamfer in all the sharp edges of drill bit. Select the edges one by one and make it the chamfer. Then we have to make a chamfer on 2 more edges. Do the same procedure. Select the edges and make it the chamfer. At last we have to select a 1 more edges to make a chamfer. You can change the visualization type. Then we have to give the appearance color for a drill bit. Select a metal type of metals based upon your requirement. To get the regular updates of my video, please subscribe in my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam.